Okay, we're getting into a challenging one. The key is, notice what we have here. It's a trinomial. What we have here, two binomials being multiplied together. Notice that those are two different forms of the same exact thing. So if your instinct tells you to multiply these out, your instinct would be correct. So that is what I'm going to do right now. I'm just going to FOIL this just like we did a couple problems ago. All right? So that would be first outside, inside, last. A, B, X plus 7AX plus 2BX plus 14. Okay, all of that equals, and I'm just going to rewrite this part down below. Sorry, I meant for this to say ABX squared right there. So that means 15x squared plus CX plus 14. Now here's what you may not know, but is very, very, very helpful. When you have a trinomial equaling a trinomial, you can set those coefficients equal to each other. Notice the 14 and the 14. All that does is reinforce that fact. At this point, we know, looking at these two blue ones, that AB is equal to 15. Look at what they tell us early on in this problem. I think one of the first things they say, A plus B is 8. Yes, they do. Okay? A plus B is 8. So it's our job to say what two numbers multiply out to 15 and add up to 8. Probably takes 1 to 2 seconds to realize that this is going to be 5 and 3. Now, either A equals 5 and B equals 3, or A equals 3 and B equals 5. And that is all they're asking us to do. At that point, we can take these values, plug them in to this original situation here. And we're going to have two answer choices, right? Because the first one is going to be when we plug the 5 into the A, and the second one is going to be when we plug the 3 into the A, right? So let's do that for just a second. 5x plus 2 times, and now our B is 3, so 3x plus 7. And if I FOIL that, I'm going to get 15x squared. Outside and inside would be 41. X plus 14. In that instance, what was our C value, which is the center coefficient here? Well, that's 41, guys. That's 41. And notice 41 only shows up in answer choice D. At that point, we can be sure that it's 41 and 31. If we want to keep going with the problem, we can. All we would have to do is plug in these values, and we would then get the 31. So that's how we do that, and I love those problems. Just remember, you can always set coefficients equal to each other when you have a trinomial equaling a trinomial.